In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and edit an Excel file in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself needing to make quick changes to an Excel file but lack access to Microsoft Excel, then Google Sheets is a powerful, convenient alternative. Plus, Google Sheets integrates seamlessly with other Google apps, making it a go-to for collaboration and cloud storage. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by opening a Google Sheet. This is done simply by going to your browser and navigating to Google Sheets. If you're already logged into your Google account, you can easily get there by typing sheetsgoogle.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you may either start a new blank spreadsheet or open an existing one. Once you're on the Google Sheets interface, look to the top left corner of the page and click on File. It's crucial to remember that this menu is your entry point for everything from importing files to creating new spreadsheets or even downloading your sheets in different formats. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, go ahead and select Import. This option will allow you to bring your Excel file into Google Sheets. Next, you'll need to choose the Upload tab. You will notice a button labeled Browse. Click on it. This will open a window where you can navigate to the location of your Excel file on your computer's drive. Select the Excel file you want to edit and click Open. At this point, you'll see options for how you want to import the Excel data. You will choose Insert New Sheets. This will ensure that the contents of your Excel file are imported into a fresh tab within the same Google Sheets file, keeping your data organized and intact. Finally, after everything is set, click on Import Data. Google Sheets will take a moment to process the file, and then you'll find your Excel data neatly placed into a new sheet within your Google Sheets file. Now that your data is in Google Sheets, you have the ability to make updates directly. You can edit any cell, apply formulas, or redesign the data presentation according to your needs. Remember that Google Sheets will automatically save your progress, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. And there you have it. You've successfully opened and edited an Excel file in Google Sheets. This process not only saves time, but also offers flexibility, especially if you need to collaborate with others on the same sheet. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips like these.